Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build a contacts app in Android using Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. This app will read all contacts from the phone and display the name and phone number in a clean list UI. So if you want to learn how to access phone contacts in Android, this video is for you. Source code link available in video description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more Android development tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.